Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is your guys Mamasager channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of April 15 hanggang April 21 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang-balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa inyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Cancer. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating makakaganap? So tutuklasin at bubulabugin natin ito na yon. Let's watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating makakaganap? Okay, so this is something that is once a new project, a new plan. So this is something, a creative expression, so something idea na maraming tatakbo sa utak mo, sa isip mo, no? Even imagination, even your visions, no? See, there's a magician, vision to reality. Na unti-unti mo na raw mamamanifest lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Lahat ng mga bagay na minimithi mo, na makakamit mo na at abot kamay mo na. And there's a Five of Cups na reverse, something acceptance. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na matatanggap. No, ano man yung mga bagay pangyayari sa buhay mo, tatanggapin mo to ng bukal sa kalooban mo. And because there's just something guys with the Kingman, you're feeling stuck, you're feeling imprisoned. No, hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw. Bakit kaya? Alamin natin yan. There is another cause with an offer. Maraming offer ang parating. Mag-ingat ka po. No, dahil kailangan kumbaga aralin mo, no, pag-isipan mo mabuti. And there's a Queen of Cups, magkakaroon ka emotional healing, na magiging kalmado ka na this time. What is the Ace of Wands? The Ace of Wands represent with the King of Cups. There's a devoted for the person. May taong sumusuporta, no, at gumagabay sa'yo dito, no? Kumbaga, bibigyan ka ng panibagong eksena, panibagong simula, na at magbubukas na ng panibagong eksena sa'yo. So, let's see what is additional messages with a magician. Representative of a higher fan. So, there's something, a lesson learned. Na may mga bagay na kailangan mo matutunan, lagi mo pakakatandaan. No, may mga bagay na nangyari sa paligid mo, sa nakaraan mo, na kailangan mo nang mag-pay attention. No, there's something manifestation. Kung gusto mo matupad yung mga pangarap mo, matuto ka sa leksyon. No, sa mga pinagdaanan mo, there's a Page of Swords being curiosity. Kailangan tuklasin mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo. Dapat tanggapin mo ng bukal sa kalooban mo. No, lahat ng mga bagay pangyayari sa'yo. No, busisiin mo, unawain mo. What is the Hangman? Represent the Ace of Cups. Some of you guys, no, yung person mo lutang balisa. No, hindi mapakali. Bakit kaya? Alamin natin yan. What is the Knight of Cups? Represent the Three of Swords. Something pain. No, may mga nag-o-offer sa'yo dito, mag-ingat ka, no? May nag-o-offer ng mga pagkain or ano, mag-ingat ka, makagayumain or lasunin ka dito. Mag-ingat po. And there's an Empress card for revert. Na magkakaroon ka ng second chances, no, second life, na magiging kalmado ng sitwasyon mo, no, at magiging maganda na pakiramdam mo. No, there's something in new beginning and blessing coming in. What is the Ace of Wands because the King of Cups? Represent with the Emperor. Maging mature ka na and being grounded. Some of you guys, no, may sumusuport at gumagabay sa'yo dito. No, it's either your father, no, your uncle, no, your brother. No, so let's see what is the additional messages. There's a King of Swords will stop the pattern. Putulin mo yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong for you. Yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi magsaserve sa'yo. So let's see what is the additional messages. With the Five of Cups, because the Page of Swords. Represent with the Knight of Swords, there's something, no more anxiety, no more sleepless nights. No, makakalaya ka na sa mga takot at pangamba mo. No, ngayon binubusisi mo na lahat ng bagay. No? Kumbaga, lakas loob mong tinatapangan yung sarili mo. No, natuklasin lahat ng bagay na to. What is the Hangman because the Ace of Cups? We represent the Four of Pentacles with the saving money. Protect your power, protect your energy, protection naman yung mga bagay na meron ka. No? Your finances. What is the Knight of Cups because the Three of Swords? Represent with the Ten of Cups. Magiging masaya ang pamilya mo dito. Marami lang naiinggit sa'yo. Marami lang taong lumalapit sa'yo. No? Mag-ingat ka po dito kasi may mga talagang inggitera. No, there's a Queen of Swords with a clear the boundaries. Linisin mo yung mga bagay na hindi magsaserve sa'yo. Yung mga bagay na hindi makakatulong for you. No, maging kalmado ka. Linisin mo yung emosyon, yung tension. Kailangan i-wash out mo yan. Alisin mo yung galit mo, yung pagiging aggressive. What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is the Fool card. A leap of faith, no? Dapat malakas sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo. There's a King of something ambition. Unti-unti mo na makikita. No? At masisilayan lahat mga pagbabago na magaganap sa buhay mo. No? Look at the bigger picture. No? Kumaga lahat ng mga bagay na pinapangarap mo, maaabot kamay mo yan. Makakamtan mo yan. No? What is additional messages? And because there is a Three of Cups with celebration, unti-unti ka makakaranas sa celebration. No? Magiging masaya at magiging maligaya at panatag na ang kalooban mo. What is the Hangman? Of course, the Ace of Cups or the Four of Pentacles. There's a tower moment for a major changes. No, may mga taong naiinggit sa'yo na gustong sirain ang iyong relasyon, ang iyong buhay at ang iyong sitwasyon. Kaya huwag kang papatinag. No, kailangan palabang ka dito. And there's something that narrows with the security. Maging secure ka rin pagdating sa sarili mo. No, huwag kang magpapaniwala sa mga matataling na hagang salita, lalo-lalo na yung mga taong kumaga lumalapit sa'yo, ganito ganyan, humihingi ng tulong, humihingi or nangungutang, lumalapit, no, mag-ingat ka po dyan. Kasi some of you guys, mahihirapan ka. No, mahirapan ka singilin yan dahil, kumbaga, ano na nila yan eh, galawan na nila yan. Mag-ingat ka lang, baka mabudol ka kasi. What is the Queen of Cups? Because the Empress card and the Queen of Swords. There is something that will fortune na turning back to your favor. Tulad na sinasabi ko, may blessing na paparating. No, kailangan mo lang talagang linisin ang nasa kanay mo at unawain lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari. No, maging kalmado, huwag kang magiging agresibo, iikot ang kapalaran at maaaring pumabor sa'yo. Magiging maganda kapalaran mo, magiging maganda ikot ang eksena mo. Makinig ka with your gut feeling, isi-secure to. Magiging maganda ang eksena mo. No, ililihis ka sa pagkasira ng sitwasyon mo. Magiging maligay at magiging masaya ka. Lahat ng mga pangarap mo, maaaring may sakataparan mo with the King of Wands. Vision into reality. Don't look at the bigger picture. And the Fool card says something in you beginning and fresh start is coming. Na magkakaroon ka ng bago simula talaga. So let's see, alamin natin yan about sa finances and career. So let's see and watch this. Finances and career represent what? There is something that Two of Wands by choices. Piliin mo yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Piliin mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong for you for growth and expansion. Diba? Mamaya may mga tao dyan sa paligid mo na ginagamit ka lang. No? There's something that is a Pentacles. There's something a big shot and big money coming for you. May malaking pera parating. Bulabog. There's a Two of Cups na may partnership din dito. Hindi siya tungkol lang sa pera, tungkol din siya sa negosyo, trabaho, no? Partnership. And there's a Queen of Wands by confident. Magiging malakas ang loob mo, magiging malakas ang pakiramdam mo. Lalakasan mo ng loob mo dito, kapalan mo na yung mukha mo. There's a Knight of Wands. First, slow down. No? Basta maging makinakon. Manatiling kalmado. No? Dakan-dakan lang. No? Pagdating sa business, kung magbubukas ka ng business, kailangan mo munang ayusin na maayos. No? Detalyado. There's a Seven of Swords with the sneakiness. No? There's a cheating line on you. Mag-ingat ka ha, baka mabudol ka talaga dito. No? Baka lokohin ka, magsinungaling to sa'yo. No? Pagdating sa love life, there's a Four of Cups, no? Getting to know each other, kilalanin mo mabuti. The heart-to-heart conversation, there's a Six of Pentacles. Maging balance ka, emotional, physical, mental. There's a Chariot with an action, magkikita na kayo ng person mo. Or maaaring makilala mo na siya. There's a Ten of Wands, something burden. Na may mga responsibilidad at obligation dito na maaaring related sa inyong dalawang person mo. Na magkakaroon kayo ng Nine of Pentacles with a blossoming. May paglago at paglakas sa finances. Let's see one more card, please. And there's a Three of Pentacles with a collaboration, getting to know each other. No, kilala niyo yung isa't isa, magkaroon ng unity. No, so let's see what is the initial messages pagdating sa kalusugan mo. There's a Seven of Cups, no confusion. Maaaring naguguluhan ka sa nararamdaman mo. Sa nangyayari sa'yo, there's a Five of Wands, no? Mayroon ditong nagbibigay komplikasyon sa'yo. No, may gumagawa talaga dito na karamdaman sa'yo. There's a Six of Swords. Kailangan mo na makalis dyan sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. No, there's a King of Pentacles. Maging practical at magkaroon ka ng security. And there's a Page of Cups. Tama ang hinahala mo. May gut feeling ka na. Kaya sa movie, guys, hindi ka makatulog. No? Balisa ka. And the Four of Swords, sabi ko na nga ba eh, na marami tumatakbo sa utak at isip mo. Hindi ka mapakali. No, some of you guys, ginagayo mo or palipad hangin. So let's see what is additional messages tayo for a magical fairy messages. And of course, there's a lot of advices. So let's see and watch this. Magical fairy messages represent what? A spiritual teacher, sabi ko na nga ba, kailangan mo ng albularyo manggagamot. There's something, a teacher, no, for healing. No, maaaring kailangan mo dito guys ng about sa healing session with the spirituality. And oh my God, healing, healer. Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo talaga ng manggagamot na tutulong sa'yo para pagalingin ka sa iyong karamdaman. And there's a holiday, ngayong holiday, no, maaaring kailangan mong, kumbaga, humingi ng gabay at tulong. No, ngayong holiday season, maaaring masagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. What is the yin and yang oracle card represent what? And this is something guys with an offer, maraming offer na paparating sa'yo. And at the same time, there's something feminine, babae ang gumagawa sa'yo. And this is something spying, looking, watching at you. Sumusubaybay ito at maaaring nasa paligid mo lang ito. Some of you co-workers, no? Kapitbahay, some of you kamag-anak, ganon. What is synchronicities represent what? There's something wisdom, enlightenment na maliliwanag ang lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa kasalukuyan. There's a summer season, maaaring masagot to with the summer season. No, lahat ng mga tanong mo, lahat ng mga bagay na gusto mo malaman, masasagot to. No, ngayong buwan na to. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's an unfinished business. Some of you guys na meron ditong hindi pa tapos na relasyon. Now, this is something guys with a black obstacle. Now, binigyan ka talaga ng pampamalas dito. At maaaring pinaghiwalay kayo ng person mo. No? There's an honesty and truth. No, kailangan mo maging tapat at maging totoo sa sarili mo. No, mayroong ginayuma talaga dito or kinulang para magkahiwalay kayo ng person mo. No, some of you, it's an ex ang gumagawa or either a family related or friend. What is the additional messages with the money matter? Star power. No, step into the spotlight. No? Siguro maraming umahanga sa'yo. No, you are also influencer. No, a star reader, manggagamot, or either, kumbaga, public servant ka, something like ganyan na tumutulong ka sa ibang tao. There's a popularity. Social status, sabi ko na nga ba eh, you are social media influencer. No, maraming naiinggit sa'yo. No, kaya ginagawang kayo nito. Kaya wag kayong magtataka guys ha, maraming mga influencer talaga na nagkakaroon ng mga failure pagdating sa love lives. Some of them pa nga nagkakasakit. Kasi hindi nila alam na may kulam sila. Diba? Kasi masyado silang open eh. Public sila eh. So, lahat ng mga bagay impormasyon makukuha sa kanila. No? So, let's see what is an angel's number represent what? Oh my God, there's an 888 with the karma. No, there's something, a lot of money is coming your way. Fortune referred more than just monetary and material success. If you don't appreciate the people in your life now, you won't have them you don't have them tomorrow. This message encourages you to take personal responsibility and use it to realize your greatest potential. So, say, there's something a good karma coming for you. Iikot ang kapalaran. Papabor sa'yo sa sitwasyon mo. And there's a part of the light represent what? Oh my God, man, there's something karma talaga. No, maaaring babalik sa kanila lahat ng ginawa nila or either may mga bagay na ginawa ka na babalik din sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka po. Kaya kailangan maging mabuti ka sa lahat ng bagay, ha? And there's a sparkle. I transform fear into strength and release doubt from my mind. With faith in the goodness of the universe, I embrace and love myself as a soul, discovering the light that shines with me. Every challenge has become an opportunity to step into my power and radiate brilliance of my true self. No, bibigyan ka na mas maganda at mas maayos sa buhay. Alisin mo lang dito yung pag-aalilangan at pagdadalawang isip. Let's see what is the shadow works represent what. Shadow works represent with a break chain. No? Ibig sabihin dito, babasagin mo na nagsisilbing kadena sa kamalasan at mga bagay na pinapaniwalaan mo. No? The only way to overcome black is to comfort them. No, kailangan mo labanan yan, tapangan yan, no, kailangan mo humarap dyan sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. Kailangan mo nang sirain, basagin yung kadena na yan, nang sa ganun pumasok na yung magagandang kapalaran sa'yo. What is clarifying for love situation? Shard of love. Past trauma, leave scars, take time to heal yourself. No? Kumbaga meron ditong, kumbaga, humilom na yung sugat, no, ng gawa ng nakaraan, nagkaroon ng trauma at sugat sa ito, no, hayaan mo na lang humilom to ng kusa. Some of you guys, meron ditong, kumbaga, ginagawa ka kasi gusto nitong bumalik ka. No, gusto nito para bumalik yung dating kayo, gato ganyan. No, either pinaghiwalay kayo, no, dahil din sa taong minsan nakarelasyon niya, no, ex niya. So let's see what is the what lies beneath the future. Anger management. No, kailangan dito maging kalmado ka, alisin mo yung galit mo, no, yung inis mo, and there's a getting played, manipulation and lies, control. No, some of you dito, meron talaga ditong nagmamanipulate sa inyo or sa person mo. No, may mga kasinungalingang kalokohan ng ginagawa, no, or either there's played. Ibig sabihin talaga nilalaro kayo. Nakita mo yan, there's something na parang mangkukulam, na parang minamanipulate niya lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari behind the scenes. And let's see what is clarifying for life situation. So before anything else, guys, no, mag-isip na kayo ng questions nyo regarding with a pick a card, yes or no questions. No? Meron tayong sagot dito with a 1, 2, and 3. Pipili kayo doon kung saan number nyo gustong maging sagot sa tanong nyo. What is clarifying for life situation? And there's something, guys, root of stability. Ground yourself in a what nurture your being, established stable base from which love and career can bloom. No, lalago to, lalakas to. No, at maaaring dumandatakbo ng sitwasyon mo, kailangan patibayin ang pundasyon mo. And there's a valley of the shadow. Step into the enveloping valley of the shadow. Here, fear, our pace, and the courage in forge in dimly lit path. So, unti-unti mo na madedevelop sa sarili mo lahat ng mga bagay, takot, pangamba mo na kumbaga isang bagay lang dito ang hindi ka totoo. Parang there's something illusion, no? Parang may mga bagay na kailangan mong harapin yung takot at pangamba mo. Now, let's see what is a yes or no question with a pick a card. Represent what? Start na tayo with the number 1. And there's something yes, no? Fitting it all place coming together united. Ibig sabihin dito, guys, na talagang kayo talaga yung pinagsasama sa isang eksena, na talagang pinagbubuklod kayo para pagsamahin sa isang chapter, na talagang swak kayo sa isa't isa. And there's something yes again, taking flight, uplifting and peace with decisions. No, kailangan mong harapin. No, kailangan mong umalis. No, at magdesisyon. And of course, number 3. Okay. So, there's something, yes. Getting it together, it's all line for you. No? Talagang pinagsama, pinagbukulod kayo dahil kayo talaga isa't isa. Meron lang talagang, kumbaga, extra at gusto kayo paghiwalayin. No, marami talagang ganyan tao. No? Gagawa ng hindi maganda para lang maging masaya sila. So, hayaan mo sila, no? Kasi may karma. No, tulad din sinasabi ko, when 888, there's a karma, na naman yung mga bagay na ginawa na sa'yo, ay babalik sa kanila yan. No, pinamalas sa pamumuhay mo, babalik sa kanila yan. What is the greatest revenge is being successful. No, at magiging matagumpay ka, basta magtuloy-tuloy ka lang. So guys, this is A weekly gabay for the month of April 15 hanggang April 21 for the sign off. Cancer yan. Cancer, Cancer, Cancer. Maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit your question bell for more videos. Because maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang samang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang dirigi-skip ng ads, saway pagpalaay kayo ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat din. See you the next video. Bye-bye and babush!